Ikaw rin ba ay namomroblema, worried at nagtataka kung bakit stunted ang growth ng iyong organization or your business or your company? Why? Bakit kahit anong gawin ko, until now, I cannot expand? In fact, baka more than 3 years na ang negosyo, pero until now, instead na mag-expand sa ibang area, hindi pa rin nakaka-expand. Hindi pa rin nakaka-acquire ng ibang negosyo at ng ibang mga equipment. What's the reason? Na alam mo naman, in all honesty, na ikaw, flexible yung pricing mo. Maganda naman ang location mo. In terms of your products, nako, nag-o-offer ka pa nga ng money-back guarantee. Because you're sure, 100% sure na quality ang yung product or services na ino-offer. So what's the reason? Well, ang common culprit talaga ay, syempre, it all boils down to your personnel, to your team, or your employees. Why? Kasi ito yung multiplier ng lahat-lahat ng ginagawa mo or ng mga drivers ng success sa iyong negosyo na necessary for expansion. Yes, maganda ang product mo. Pero kapag hindi naman trained mag-explain ang iyong team, wala din. Yes, okay na okay yung pricing mo. Pero pag hindi naman ito trained, wala din. Right? So anything that you do, ito yung multiplier. So if you invest in growing your personnel, your team, your employees, growth is expected. Right? If you don't invest in investing dito, then stunted growth is expected. Huwag ka nang magtaka kung bakit walang movement, walang growth ang iyong kumpanya kung hindi ka naman particular sa growth and development ng iyong mga tao. Now, after this short session as a training consultant, I will share with you simple pero effective at pwede mo agad i-implement sa iyong organization, sa iyong team, sa iyong mga empleyado, pag may opportunity ka to talk with them. Because this is very powerful. I call this the shed method. Alright? Para madali mong ma-recall. The shed method. Yan. Ano yung shed? Okay, waiting shed. It's a security. Right? It's, tawag ng iba dyan, what's the term? Refuge. Right? Shed. So, gusto kong masimplify ang mga bagay na sinishare ko sa inyo. So, ano to siya? Talk about these things sa iyong mga tao. Una-una, it's important in your company that they feel what? The presence of support. Pag wala, nako, it's like pinapatrabaho mo sa kanya na kumuha ng graba. Right? Na napakarami, sos na lang, pang-construction. Pero ang binibigay mo na support sa kanya, ang gamit na binibigay mo sa kanya, yung wheelbarrow lang. So, paano niya ma-accomplish yung task na binigay mo sa kanya? Right? So, in terms of what? Support in terms of resources, in terms of time, in terms of knowledge, right? Napaka-importante. To help your people grow, they need support. Especially, ipakita mo sa kanila na ikaw as a business owner, you are particular sa kanilang improvement. That's the thing. You're particular sa kanilang, ito, number 1 talaga to. Training and development. You can expect them na magbibigay sa'yo ng sales na 1 million and above kung ang competence level nila hanggang 10,000 lang. And do not expect them also na yung mga tao, they will figure out and do the things that they need to do without your guidance or leadership. No. Without your support. No. They need to feel all the time na merong support ang kumpanya. Another is, ito. If you're not expanding, stunted ang growth mo, malamang you are not evaluating the health of your organization, of your personnel. You need to monitor how your teams are doing so you can clearly identify kung anong area sila dapat tulungan. See? Interrelated ang support tsaka health. Especially on the relationship side. Right? Baka hindi sila nagfa-function kasi may mga gusot dyan na as a business owner, akala mo it will just go away like a toothache. You don't need treatment kasi kusang aalis lang yan. No. Pag maganda ang relationship ng mga tao mo, sa'yo, sa kumpanya, sa kanilang mga customers or clients, ang laking bagay nito when it comes to growing your business. Another is, E stands for, syempre, the work environment. Is it safe? Baka naman may mga office politics dyan na ikaw mismo ang pasimuno. Or unaware, yun na pala ang nangyayari sa iyong negosyo at iyong organization. Right? So, it's important that they need to what? Feel that they are part of a bigger team, that they are connected to a team. So, napaka-importante itong team building, workshop, how to have a more equipped team, because this is the reason kung bakit nawawasak ang mga negosyo. Why? Kasi pag ang mga team members, they don't work as one, kanya-kanya silang agenda, they don't do their own roles and functions and responsibilities, yung team may isa dyan na dominant masyado, pero ginagamit niya ang kanyang influence, ang kanyang leadership, ang kanyang authority in a negative way. So, it's important na kailangan maayos ang team so that it will not be a source of a toxic na environment. Remember, ang mga tao umaalis dahil sa toxic na environment. May unfairness, may injustice. Actually, I did a video about this. Ano yung mga elements ng toxic environment? Ano yung mga karakter ng toxic na boss? Right? So you will never grow your company or your business pag hindi mo ito na-check. And last but not the least, you talk about, syempre, it's important yung tinatawag na direction. Where are we headed? Okay? Ito naman, it's critical that everything that they do, everything that you do, is aligned sa inyong business goals, sa inyong company goals, and also, napaka-importante, the vision. Saan ba tayo papunta? Alam ba ng mga tao mo ang direksyon ng iyong kumpanya? Right? If not, lalo nilang hindi alam kung ano ang direksyon ng career nila, ng kanilang pagtatrabaho or pagiging membro sa inyong organization. Where will this effort, where will this investment of my time, of my knowledge na ibubuhos ko the next 2 to 3 years will bring me after 5 or 10 years? Pag hindi alam ng tao yan, nako, you will have a problem. Kasi very poor ang performance nila. They don't see the meaning ng kanilang ginagawa. They don't see the impact of their contribution. Okay? Kasi nga, ang leader, ang kanilang boss, ang may-ari ng kumpanya, walang pakialam. Hindi naman nire-reinforce. And that's why, napaka-importante na meron kang training and development sa iyong kumpanya, sa iyong organization, if you want to have steady, at least steady na growth. Right? So, these are simple to talk, but kung gusto mo talagang in-depth, nako, ang sarap pag-usapan nito. We can hold a one-day workshop for your team using this SHED method. Alright? Anyway, MARV method. Alright? Kasi bago lang natin itong natagpi-tagpi para maging madali ma-remember, ma-recall. Let's use SHED method in growing our team, in reinforcing na tayo as an organization, as a company, as business owners, we will give them the support that they need. Kailangan natin ma-reinforce sa kanila that we value relationship, that we cannot do this alone. Bilang may-ari ng isang kumpanya, bilang leader ninyo, we cannot do this alone. We need you. We are here as a team, right? You see, pag yan yung message na laging naririnig, nararamdaman, na-experience ng mga tao mo, they will not let you down because now they have more responsibility and accountability na ang ginagawa ko pala, apektado ang kumpanya. See? And of course, they need to be reminded always, where are we going? Ano yung future natin dito? Right? What's the promise if tayo lalaki as an organization or as a company? So, there you go. The SHED method. Again, if you grow your organization, if you train them, if you equip them, if you improve them, everything, literally everything improves. Right? So if you want us to expound on this, at kung gusto mo talagang gawin natin tong workshop in your organization, message us. Let's help grow your business because you deserve to expand your business. And you deserve also to have equipped na mga tao. Imagine, binabayaran mo yan. 10, 15, 20,000 a month and they're giving you performance na kung ano lang yung pwede. And you cannot blame them. It's because kulang nga sila sa training. Imagine if you can increase their performance 10 to 20% lang a month, multiplied by ilan sila? 15, 20 na tao, multiplied by 12 months, multiplied by 5 years. Imagine what they can do to your business. So there is no way for you but to have unlimited growth. You will expand in many ways possible na akala mo hindi pwede, hindi kaya. It's because For all those years na ginagawa mo yung negosyo mo, you're focusing on the wrong things. Right? You should focus kung saan talaga yung may pinakamalaking puwersa in growing your business. Even if, tingnan mo average yung product mo. Even if yung presyo mo mas mahal compared sa iba. Even if you're not fortunate na makahanap ng tamang lokasyon. And even if hindi malaki yung investment mo sa marketing. But if you see to it that your people are trained, they feel safe sa environment na meron sila, they're always guided by a leader, nako, tatalunin mo ang mga kumpanya na hindi ito alam. So, if you're somebody committed in growing your business because you care for your people, kasi your expansion means their expansion. That's why napaka-importante ng bagay na to. Again, your expansion means their expansion also. So, it is your moral obligation as a business owner to help your business expand. So that's our session for today. Bigyan nyo ako ng feedback, comment, and if you're interested na pag-usapan ito sa inyong kumpanya, sa inyong organization, if you're an employee na you really care sa negosyo ninyo and you believe that importante na pakinggan to ng inyong kumpanya, share this video to your boss. Share this video to the CEO. Share this video to your HR. Share this video sa iyong superior. And this will even work kahit MLM pa yan, kahit insurance pa yan, kahit car dealership pa yan. Because walang negosyo na hindi nangangailangan ng trained at equipped at responsible na mga personnel, employees, workers, and partners. So my name is Marvin R. Alegre. On our next video, we will talk about, again, other tactics, other methods, other concepts, strategies in growing your most important investment, your people. See you next time.